What we have here is the RHTC Profi Press PPCM-50. It's a standard C-frame press, but what we've done is outfitted it with a dwell timer. So the strokes can be controlled with microswitches. And on this press now, with the delay timer, when the stroke hits the bottom, the predetermined bottom, it will dwell for the predetermined time, and that's set, the dwell time is set with this timer over here. And you can enter into the timer and set the timer by hitting that arrow, and then you can scroll across and adjust it accordingly. So at current time, it's set for 5 seconds, but you can take and adjust it for however many seconds. So now that would be set for 10. Now that's set for 10 seconds even. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up for 5 seconds. So I'm just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scroll that up to 0. And hit the set button. So I'm going to clear the safety controls with that. Turn on the pump. And we have this in automatic mode. So what will happen is I'll step on the pedal once. It'll go down to the predetermined bottom. Go down to the predetermined bottom. And then when it hits the bottom, it will dwell for 5 seconds. So I'm going to hit the right hand foot pedal. And now it will dwell for 5 seconds. And it will return to the top predetermined position. So I'm going to do this one more time just to show you what happens at the timer. Hit the foot pedal, you can see that it's descending now. And now the top plate will return to its pre-programmed position. So any of the Profi presses that we have on our site are standard presses, but any of them can be made to suit your applications, no matter whether it's safety features, system integration, automation, or a variety of other controls. So let us know of any questions that you may have, and we can make the press to suit your needs.